Ever wondered how to achieve a debt-free life and financial stability? In the bustling world we inhabit, financial stability isn't just about having money in the bank. It's about freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to navigate life's storms with confidence. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. It's about living life on your terms. The secret to this lies within a book, The Total Money Makeover, by Dave Ramsey. The Total Money Makeover, a masterpiece by Dave Ramsey, is our guide to financial stability. This enlightening book is authored by none other than Dave Ramsey, a well-known American personal finance guru. Ramsey, through his life experiences, has not just walked the walk but has also talked the talk, making him a credible source of financial wisdom. The Total Money Makeover is not just another book on personal finance. It's a comprehensive guide that focuses on three key aspects: managing personal finance, reducing debt, and building wealth. It's a roadmap that directs us towards financial security, guiding us to make wise decisions with our money. In this book, Ramsey has brilliantly demystified the world of finance, making it accessible and understandable for everyone. You don't need to be a financial genius to understand and implement the principles he shares. The core of this book lies in the 7 simple yet effective steps to financial freedom. Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover introduces 7 baby steps to financial freedom. Each step is a milestone on your journey to financial independence and prosperity. The first baby step is about saving $1,000 cash as a starter emergency fund. It's not about the amount, but about breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and creating a safety net for unexpected expenses. Next, we have the second baby step. Here we tackle debt head-on with the debt snowball method. It's about listing your debts smallest to largest and attacking the smallest with everything you've got. As each debt is cleared, you roll that payment into the next, creating a snowball effect. The third step involves saving 3 to 6 months of expenses for a fully funded emergency fund. This is your insurance against life's bigger surprises. It's about having a buffer between you and life's storms, so you can weather them without falling back into debt. The fourth baby step is to invest 15% of your household income into Roth IRAs and pre-tax retirement funds. This is where you begin to see the power of compound interest. It's about building a nest egg that will support you in your golden years. Step 5 is all about college funding for your children. It's about setting them up for success without the burden of student loans. This step is about planting seeds for their future. The sixth step is to pay off your home early. It's about owning your home outright, and the freedom that comes with being completely debt-free. It's about turning your biggest liability into your biggest asset. Finally, the seventh baby step is about building wealth and giving. It's about achieving financial independence and having the ability to give generously. This is the final step, where you have enough to not only take care of your family, but also to make a difference in the world. These steps, though simple, require consistency and discipline to yield results. Knowing the steps is one thing, implementing them is another. It's like understanding the mechanics of swimming, but never actually getting in the water. The true value of the Total Money Makeover lies not just in reading its pages, but in applying its principles to your everyday life. Think of it this way. If you've ever tried to assemble a piece of furniture with an instruction manual, you know that understanding the steps in theory doesn't necessarily mean you'll build a sturdy bookshelf. It's the same with financial planning. You've got to put the screws where they need to go. That's what the Total Money Makeover is all about, taking action. Now, imagine the transformation this book can bring to your financial life. Picture yourself free from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck, free from the weight of debt, and having a clear path towards financial stability. This isn't some far-off dream, it's a reality for countless individuals who have applied the principles laid out in the Total Money Makeover. Consider the impact the book has had on those who have taken its wisdom to heart. Stories abound of families climbing out of debt, individuals gaining control of their finances, and people building wealth they never thought possible. All because they took the knowledge and turned it into action. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and steer your life towards financial stability? The Total Money Makeover is your guide to a debt-free and financially stable life. Before we proceed, here's a little nudge. If you're finding value in these discussions, if these book reviews are adding to your financial knowledge arsenal, then why not subscribe? It's simple, it's free, and it ensures you don't miss out on future content. We've got a great lineup of book reviews coming your way, each one designed to equip you with the insights and tools you need to take control of your financial life. These aren't just reviews, they're stepping stones to a more financially secure future. From books on debt management to wealth creation, we've got it all covered. And the best part? You can access all this wealth of knowledge at the click of a button. So, hit that subscribe button, be a part of our community, and let's continue on this journey towards financial stability together. After all, why tread on the path to financial freedom alone when you can have a guide? Remember, the first step towards transformation is taking action. And what better action than subscribing for more insightful book reviews? Stay tuned for more, and remember, knowledge is power, but only if you put it into action. Now that you're subscribed and ready to dive deeper into the realm of financial literacy, let's discuss the importance of this journey. It's not just about reading books or watching videos, but about understanding, assimilating, and applying this knowledge to your life. Each book we review, each concept we break down, is a stepping stone on your path towards financial independence. There's no magic wand to wave and make your financial worries disappear. It's a process, and these books are your guide. They're not just books, they're your personal finance coaches, your wealth mentors. They help you understand how money works, how to manage debt, how to build wealth, and how to secure your financial future. But here's the thing, reading these books or watching these reviews alone won't change your financial status. It's the understanding, the application, the consistent effort that makes the difference. That's why we're here. To help you understand these concepts better, to help you navigate the tricky terrain of finances. So, stay tuned, stay engaged, and stay committed to this journey of financial transformation. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon, and every step you take, however small, brings you closer to your financial goals.